This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Weekly wrap-up: a Sydney office tower installs propane heat pumps, the NASRC's new impact report, an opportunity for CO2 in New Zealand and more. By Michael Hines, published July 17, 2026. Propane heat pumps. Replace gas boilers in Sydney office tower. The EY Centre, a 37-floor office tower in Sydney, has recently completed the retrofit of its heating system, swapping out a gas-based boiler for propane heat pumps. The propane heat pumps were reportedly manufactured by Muntners and provide domestic hot water and space heating. The EY Centre spans 44,000 square meters, 473,612 square feet, and is 155 meters, 180 feet, tall. NASRC release, R-Trade Workforce Development Report. The NASRC, North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, has released an impact report on its refrigeration technician recruitment and training program, R-Trade. Refrigeration Technician Recruitment, Advancement, Development, and Education. The report, which covers activities from 2024 to 2026, notes that the organization has provided training in CO2 refrigeration systems to 3,685 technicians across 78 events. Its online CO2 training course was launched in January 2026 and has since issued 1,478 course licenses. Going forward, the NASRC said one of its goals is to build a natural refrigerant technician certification program. The GIZ displays prototype propane reefer in Hamburg. The GIZ, the German Society for International Cooperation, showcased a prototype propane refrigerated maritime shipping container, or reefer, during Hamburg Sustainability Week. The container was developed in partnership with Thermo King. The prototype is reportedly 15% more energy efficient compared to conventional reefers using synthetic refrigerants. Thermo King, a brand of Train Technologies, will field test the prototype with a Costa Rican fruit producer. An opportunity for CO2 in New Zealand's dairy industry. A third of New Zealand's dairy farmers still use R404. A Chiller's Luke Walker, general manager of New Zealand-based DTS Refrigeration, told Dairy News in a recent interview, R404A has a 100-year GWP of 4,728 and a 20-year GWP of 7,208 and is a PFAS, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Walker added that leak rates for these systems can vary from 15% to 35% annually. He called the energy efficiency of CO2 refrigeration systems compelling and said DTS is keen to work with the right partners to bring these solutions to New Zealand dairy farmers at scale.